Today, I'm going to show you how I suit up in my Wasp Cosplay suit. It's not overly complicated, but I've had a few requests for it, so here it is. So this Wasp Cosplay suit I purchased from Aliexpress FairytaleLand. I have done a full suit review of this already, so I will link that in the description below if you'd like to check it out. So it comes with this main jumpsuit part, some shoes, some gloves, some shin guards, and this back piece. So let's get into it. Okay, so the zipper's a little bit hard to get up by yourself and I don't have anybody at home today to help me, so we're gonna continue on with this. So these didn't actually come with the suit. I made the Wasp Helmet out of foam and then I 3D printed some Wasp stingers, just to add a little bit more to the suit. Okay, and I also have trouble with the second glove normally because I can't grip it well enough with this hand. So again, I need somebody to help with this one, but we're going to continue on. So that's it guys, make sure you check out the review of the suit by clicking this and I'll see you over there.